Yes guys, welcome to the Ranks Production channel once again guys. Okay, today we'll be having a fruits mukbang. Okay guys, so here on the table is all the fruits here.
So guys, we have some melon, some cantaloupe, some orange, some pineapple, some apple, some grapes. We have 3 different grapes, some banana and some mango and strawberry.
So welcome to our channel guys. Hope you will like this fruits mukbang. Okay
So guys,
guys,
we're about to get down
into some serious business. Okay, so we will be starting. I will be starting with the pineapple. In French we call it ananas. This one is very sweet. Guys, fruits for lunch today. Pineapple is really sweet.
So today it's sunny, and this morning they don't look
Morning was bleaky.
and cold. Now that I'm hot, like when me I come from the dentist, me I say to myself, why me wear the polo? Cause it did hot.
Fruits is very healthy guys and nice. We're always making a lot of smoothies. So today we just decided to have some fruits just like this, you know. I love my mangoes, guys. And the melon is nice.
Here we go ask you a question. Biz, what's your favorite foods? Your 2 favorite foods?
My 2 favorite fruits. Mango is one of my favorite fruits. And watermelon.
Mine is well, me I'll say 4. Pineapple, melon and mango.
But actually I love all fruits. All fruits ripe.
But me like which one if you have to choose, like suppose you have to go a day like a month and these fruits, which one you would choose, like which one?
Can eat mango every day.
Which 2?
Mango and melon, we can eat that every day.
Well, for me, you'd have to make 3 now, cause mango and the watermelon and the pineapple.
In French we call this one melon. And this
Funny.
one, what we call melon, we call it pastèque in French. Pastèque.
Me, when I first hear the name, I have to laugh because this one is called melon, right? In cantaloupe. And the pineapple melon is nice too.
Guys, when I eat apple, I have allergy. Apple, I love apple also.
Me, when I eat pineapple, I go to the toilet a lot.
So one day I was just eating an apple and I feel my lips start to get heavy and my lips was swollen and I go make some control for the allergy, those little things they pick you, you know, choke you, those little things and make tests. And I was 100% allergic to apple, just like that, and I was eating apple always. Sometimes I eat it, I see it start to change a little bit.
I'm glad me not allergic to it. I really love it. Like me eat one every morning. What you say? A couple of days keep the doctor away. That's what them say. I mean, I know if it's so true.
want to cry, I can't eat apple like the way I want to eat. But like when it cook, make some apple pies and all those things, it's okay. But if I just eat it like that,
Me, no cook no apple give me. I like it.
but when you make the apple pie, you like it, don't you?
Yeah, but yeah, some people like when they make it, they put a lot of sugar.
I don't put sugar, I just put a little orange juice.
Me don't like sugar.
I just squeeze the orange juice when I'm making my apple pie.
Anytime like me eat sugar product or stuff, me feel sick. I don't know why. Me wonder if me alone it happen to or it happen to other people like when they eat like consume sugar products. I don't know.
See it go. This is the raisin.
City, the petty phrase.
That is phrase. Guys, I speak some French words, you know, too, you know.
You know why me a laugh? Because when me first come here and they send me go to the Migros.
Migros is the supermarket.
Yeah, the supermarket. We are speak French word. When they send me go the supermarket and they send me to buy chips because the lady don't speak English. So me I try to tell her. So just search the phrase. We said just search the phrase. The phrase.
Fritz, yeah.
And she said,
Fritz, yeah.
she said, c'est quoi?
You can say Fritz.
The phrase, me say.
Mm.
I said the phrase, she said, the phrase. When she showed me this, me said, no. Oh la la. But now, I know my French. But maybe not too much like my husband, but I can go many places by myself, I can speak.
Pick up fruits, huh? Mm-hmm. Now I'm keeping it too long.
And most of my French, I learned it from my husband. Because when he speaks French, I understand him very clearly.
Actually, we have the same Jamaican accent. I'm getting them serious in them fruits, yeah, you know? Yeah. I go on like mango after, you know?
You know why what me remember? You remember me tell you yesterday? Not yesterday, Friday when I come from work. 7 day exercise and I eat the apple.
You choke.
They send me the exercise and I eat the apple because I'm tell you, when enough people don't understand when they might exercise. So when you
But you
exercise,
can't eat exercise and they eat.
listen, me crazy when it comes to my exercise. Me not clear when it comes to my exercise.
So you have to eat
Listen,
first.
me tell you how the eat go. Me didn't want to eat the apple. And you see, like when you stop too long when you exercise, you don't have to stop too long. When your body, you don't make your body cool down. Else the exercise now go work. If you stop now, say we stop for 30 minutes and gone
That's
and
why-
do something else, you don't have to stop if you just continue.
That's why you have to eat first, relax yourself, take the food
The
digest.
apple choke me. Nearly
The
kill
food
me.
digest and then you go do your exercise.
No, Sabina, do it again. Nah, do it again, man.
Serious on them fruits, yeah, you know, I'm not joke. Chatting a real slang today, you know.
Yes, so we not put up nothing.
Mm-mm.
Me have enough allergy with my eye and my nose. Me eye, no, the allergy make me look like me a cry. Suppose I did see me eye them today. The dentist asked me alright. Because my eye them full of water and they run. The allergy turns and it make me nose scratch me. You know, see my eye them all red, look. My eye them red. You see? I
You know red now.
You know red now. But you red this morning. Should me wash my face. And you make my eye scratch me.
Yeah, give thanks to them fruits, yeah, you know. What the mango they ripe enough, you know. And not so ripe the mango them, you know. You could have ripe, you could have green, me a good on could have green, could have ripe, me a good on in the same way.
You did have, when we did buy them today, you did have some more softer one. But me say no, me not take the more softer one because me like solid mango.
Yeah. Yes guys, that's how we go, you know, we just go and do this little video and eat some fruits and you know. Yeah, me eat off all the fruits them. Just slow up on it though.
And you fast. They call you a fighter, but in a fighter they call you a faster.
Alright.
Oh,
I'll go some.
I make you laugh.
Very soon, man.
Maybe I told my dear pull up my shutter.
Go eat them the mango there before me full up too, you know. Yeah, for that place sweet. Yeah, we kind of chat to in a pot right now, guys, so
The banana full up my belly.
I hope you guys will understand some of our patois style, you know.
The grape them are bio and the strawberry. Everything bio.
That one I'm not going to know.
It's not bio, it's bio.
Look good.
Everybody look good.
Mango, me I talk so good. Suck everything out my skin.
You're too funny.
Juicy.
Not
Yeah,
enough,
wet up the
right?
place though.
Not at all, I'm belly full up already.
Belly can't flow up until me eat the mango. That guy's juice a fly all about. Yeah, some more over the table because the whole place I wet up with this mango juice. Lovely. Let you know where's some mango your name.
You didn't see the tag on it, or this one no come with no tag on it.
Most of the mango we get here
Normally them orange have some tag.
come from Israel. No, Israel or Egypt. That's some mango come from them places too. Africa.
You know me know the pineapple.
Mango nice. Whole place wetting up, let me push the fruit and look at it. It's a really fruit mukbang. Guys, me love me mango. Now use no knife peeling. Just I eat it like this. Me now use no knife peeling and cut up no mango. Just getting down into it just like this.
But normally, so we Jamaican eat with mango. We not use knife. Hey,
Now peel and prick it up.
remember you said that Jamaica, as when a mango time, as morning light, me gone a mango tree.
Mango juicy, you know.
I miss it always a first with the mango tree. Anytime we want mango, we go over there when we don't get
So
none.
juicy, guys. Look at it.
So we always ask for mango. Cause we know say him take up everything. And you know say we have in Jamaica we have about 6 to 7 mango tree. And the lady got 7 mango tree. You know at 3 o'clock the lady got a mango tree, you know. You take the flashlight and got a mango tree. I don't know how you do it, but it's good. 3 o'clock in the morning, the woman gone a mango tree with flash drive. The flashlight, if you say.
Flash drive.
Mistake, me say, oh, flash drive. With the flashlight. Me don't understand how you see with the flashlight in 3 o'clock in the morning. Me can't understand.
I know Jamaica, some part in the countryside, well dark.
Yeah, me tell us that mango tree they dark at 6 o'clock, at 7 o'clock come and they grow a mango tree.
Look at
there
the seed, guys.
Or down there dark. So I don't understand how you see down there.
Guys, me not joke with my mango. Me tell you, when I eat my mango, me not have no pride.
No shame in your game.
No shame in my game when I eat my mango.
Why?
You just get down into it.
Remember in Jamaica, one bucket of mango we are
Me in a long sleeve shirt and I eat my mango, me pull it up.
I don't know, one mango me not like. And a number mango. Me not like the mango day. I don't know why. But me love stringy mango. Me make
Look at
a
the seed,
mango
guy.
tree. And you find,
Getting white.
And me find pear number mango and you have stringy, me swap you. But you have to make sure pear mango them good too. Remember one time, you know, we got a gully, go look mango, and me come up.
Look at the seed. When we done with the seed, you can plant it right away.
You see how me see the girl on TikTok? What him do? She open inside of the mango. She just plant it like that. She open and take out the seed inside.
Inside there?
Yes, that one that she plant.
Why not no left on this one? Look at it, guys. Mango seed, why?
We done.
Give me some paper there. How many liters? You're done? You want to tell me say you're full up already?
The banana. And me eat. Full me up.
Okay, so later I'm going to eat your mango then.
No, you can't get my mango for eat. You're mad somebody. But can't eat your turn upside down. But eat mine.
No.
You buy 3 mango so you can get the next one, but don't eat mine.
Fruit mukbang, guys. Very nice. Really enjoy it. Eat some more melon.
Bad, look on for me. Look on for your pile to my pile.
And look, you see?
You make me look bad like we need to eat nothing.
You just have to keep the company and my mukbang.
No. No, for yourself, just like eat the company and your mukbang. Me can't eat no more. Me eat banana. Pull me up. Basically, just like keeping company, I feel mukbang. Yeah, your mukbang for true. Look on your pile to my pile. You're not a player. Me not go eat the food, so me not want me full up. To me, I can't tell you no, I eat it, but me try. Later when they hear what.
Cantaloupe.
Next time you're gonna make you do a water challenge. When you do water fasting, you know,
Okay guys, thank you so much for watching. I'm gonna finish the rest of these fruits later.
when it's most
Also, I'm gonna eat her mango.
no, not my
Okay
mango.
guys, so thank you so much for watching. I hope you will like and subscribe to my channel. Please share this video. Okay guys,
You can eat
thank you so much for watching Ranks Production. Please don't forget to check out Shania Hilton. Okay,
for some healthy juice and exercise video, hairstyle video, fashion vlog, you name it.
so
Just
big up
check it
each
out.
and everyone. Enough respect and one love. All my YouTube friends all over the world.
And guys,
one
please
love.
leave your comments below.
Hit the notification for the next upload. Okay guys, thank you so much for watching Ranks Production.
Have a blessed day.
Shania Hilton. One love. Rastafari.
We say I go eat them fruits there when it's much greater.
Later I go eat them.
Later when it's much greater.